Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you have a verified backup and an approved maintenance window, because firmware changes require quick rollback capability. Once done, log in as an administrator and confirm the appliance model and current version so you download the exact firmware package. Make sure you've read the release notes for breaking changes. This prevents surprises. Next, download the firmware and its checksum from Sophos, stage the file on a management workstation, and prepare for the upload to the firewall. Now you upload the staged firmware to the firewall using the GUI or SCP/CLI. Always verify the checksum to avoid corrupt installs. Once the file is on device, initiate the install and watch the installation logs. This shows progress and any per-flight errors. If you run high availability, install on the passive unit first, allow it to become active if required, then update the other node to preserve uptime. Make sure you monitor the appliance console during the automatic reboot. After the reboot, immediately verify the reported firmware version and validate core services, VPN, rules, IPS, and NAT behavior so user traffic remains consistent. Once satisfied, re-enable any suspended scheduled tasks and ensure HA synchronization is healthy. Check system logs and monitoring dashboards for errors over the next hour. If the appliance fails to boot or behaves badly, use console/serial access to access safe mode or restore the backup configuration. This is the fastest recovery path and the troubleshooting tip you'll rely on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.